WhatsApp can be hacked, and yes, even yours. In this video, you'll learn the exact steps to lock it down and protect your privacy once and for all. Why this matters? Over 2 billion people use WhatsApp, but few realize how easy it is for hackers to hijack your account. From stealing messages to scamming your contacts, one click is all it takes. So here's how to secure it step by step. Step 1. Enable two-step verification. Click your WhatsApp app to load it. Tap on the 3 vertical dots on the top right corner or the screen. Tap on Settings, then Account, then two-step verification. Tap Turn On, and then create a secure 6-digit PIN that you can easily remember, but difficult for a hacker to guess. Click Next, enter the PIN again to confirm, then click Save. Avoid the use of 123456. To add a recovery email to your WhatsApp account, tap on the 3 dots again, tap Settings, tap Accounts, tap Email, and add your email address from the list provided on your phone, or add a different email of your choice. A verification code will be sent to your email. Go to your email and retrieve the code, then insert it in the space provided by WhatsApp and click Verify. This will stop unauthorized access, even if someone has your SIM card. What if you forget your WhatsApp PIN? If you set up two-step verification and forgot the PIN, tap Forgot PIN. You will be given an option to turn off two-step verification. If you are reinstalling WhatsApp and forget your PIN, tap Forgot PIN as well. WhatsApp will send a PIN reset link to your registered email. If no email was set, you'll need to wait 7 days before you can reset the PIN. Step 2. Change your voicemail PIN. Many hacks begin when attackers use default voicemail pins like 0000 to trigger a WhatsApp reset. If you're in a country where voicemail works, then change your default voicemail pin through your mobile carrier to prevent hacks. Step 3. Never share your verification code. Never share your WhatsApp login code. Not with friends. Not with family. Real friends would never ask for a verification code from you. Anyone who asks you for a verification code is most likely a scammer. Step 4. Enable fingerprint or face lock. Again, navigate to WhatsApp settings, go to Privacy, click App Lock, then toggle the Unlock with Biometric button, and confirm with your biometric to enable fingerprint or Face ID lock. Even if someone has your phone, they won't get into WhatsApp. Step 5. Check for unauthorized devices. Again, click the 3 vertical dots on the top right corner in your WhatsApp window. Tap Link Devices, tap on any strange device you see. Tap on the 3 vertical dots, tap on Remove Device to remove the strange device using your WhatsApp. Hackers often stay connected quietly in the background. Step 6. Keep WhatsApp updated. Updates fix security flaws. Head to your App Store and make sure you're on the latest version of WhatsApp. Step 7. Avoid phishing links. If you get a strange message with a link, don't click it. It could be malware or a phishing site pretending to be official. Always verify before tapping. Bonus tips. Do not use mod WhatsApp apps like GB WhatsApp. Download WhatsApp app for Android from Play Store or for iOS from App Store. Avoid public Wi-Fi unless you're using a trusted VPN. Always update your phone's operating system. It strengthens security across all apps. Like, share, and subscribe to Blemma CyberGuard for weekly tips that help you stay ahead of hackers. Stay smart. Stay safe. Stay guarded. This is Blemma CyberGuard, cyber safety made simple. Thank you for watching.